Mona, something strange is happening. I found a trail of fabric strips leading into the forest.
Fabric strips? Are they moving?
Oh yes, they're fluttering like they're alive. Could it be a fabric monster?
Maybe it's not a monster at all.
What is it then? It's flying away. It's a horror.
What a day, the sun is bright. Smiles and laughter feel so right. Trusty and Mona on the way, crafting a better world each day. Side by side, come and play, laugh and learn along the way. Trusty and Mona, join the fun. A new adventure has just begun.
Mona, I followed the trail of fabric into the forest, but the creature vanished.
Trusty, that wasn't a creature. That was our new project.
A project? But it had a tail and everything.
Yes, because we are making a comet ball today. It's fun, it's fast, and it's made from leftover fabric.
Comet Ball? Like space comet?
Yes, but this one is safe to play with. And the best part, we're using all fabric scraps to make it.
So, we're turning trash into a toy? That's magic.
That's the magic of upcycling, with the magic hands. Today, we are making a comet ball. We need fabric scraps, a piece of newspaper, and some string. Take the newspaper and open it flat. It's time to use our treasure box. Put some fabric pieces inside. Squish it tight to make a ball. Now, wrap a big piece of fabric around the newspaper ball. This will make the head of our comet ball. Twist it and tie it with string. If you've got extra fabric hanging down, you can even cut it into strips to make your comet extra magical. And now for the fun part, the tail. Look for some long strips of fabric or the tissue string we made in our last episode and tie them onto the knot, one by one. Keep adding strips until your comet has a long, colorful tail. And there it is, our comet ball is ready to fly. There are so many ways of making a comet ball. You can even use an old sock. It's super easy and just as fun. And remember, every comet ball is special because you made it your way.
Oh, amazing. I'm gonna call mine Super Sprinkler.
What a name. Trusty, do you know what's not super about new clothes? Well, making new clothes can really harm the planet.
Really? But how?
Making new clothes takes loads of water, and it uses big machines that need loads of energy. Some factories also let out smoke and dirty water, which can hurt animals in nature.
Well, I think the earth needs a proper rest.
But when we reuse old fabric instead of buying new, we help save water, energy, and keep nature safe. Ready for a fun challenge? Find some leftover fabric and make your own comet ball.
I wonder, could mine be rainbow color? Please say yes, please, 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 please.
Yes, every comet ball is unique. Just keep creating and giving fabric a new life. See you next time. Bye.
Bye. Oh, I like you. Oh.
Oi, what a cute little doggy. Mwah.